Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you basically we are going to compare the two websites to mobile application, that is OANDA mobile app, and the second one is MetaTrader 4, right, which is the better one. So here I will just give you a full view, full comprehensive review that by the end of this video you will have your own conclusion, right? So let's get started. So here first of all, let's talk about the OANDA mobile app, right? The pros are it's very user-friendly interface. It's very easy to use. You can just learn it in 1 to 2 minutes, right? And the second thing is integrated broker service. The app is integrated directly with OANDA trading services, providing seamless account management, deposit, and withdrawal process. The app provides real-time market data, news, and analysis, which help the traders to inform in real time, and it also show you advanced charting tools and technical analysis features, allowing trader to conduct detailed market analysis on the go. And the fifth one is, which is important, is a well-regulated broker with a good reputation, providing a sense of security and trust, which is very important because we use our real money in the trading, right? And I don't like, here I have listed some of the cons about this, that this app can be only used with on an account, so you have to make that account, limiting your broker choices. You can't add any different third-party broker, right? And the second thing is, compared to MT4, the customization option might be less extensive. So if you're doing trading analysis and you're adding so much in the chart and you're doing so much customization, definitely MetaTrader 4 is good for you. And the third one is, the app doesn't support as many third parties, indicators, or expert advisors as compared to MetaTrader 4. So depending upon your preferences, you can choose it. Now let's discuss about the MetaTrader 4. The best thing, MetaTrader is one of the most popular trading platform in the worldwide, right? It offers extensive customization option, which we already discussed before, right? Allowing traders to tailor the platform for their specific needs. The platform provide a wide range of technical analysis tool, which is very important for the traders, right? Because we just need an eye continuation on the charting. So MT4 support automated trading through expert advisors, which can execute trades on behalf of the trader based on the predefined strategies. It can also be used with various brokers, which is a con in OANDA, right? So here you can use with various brokers, giving trader the flexibility to choose their preferred brokers. The large user base means a wealth of tutorials, forms, and support is available for the MetaTrader 4. And here, of course, MetaTrader 4 also have some cons, which I've listed here. MP4 extensive features and customization option can be overwhelming for the beginners, because there is too much tools just for the beginners. So beginners should, learn and go with the support of MetaTrader 4 and then just use their application or website. The mobile version of MT4 might not be as intuitive or user friendly as on our app. That's why if you're a beginner, if you don't know nothing about trading, of course you can use OANDA. But if you are experienced one, a good investor or trader where you need hundreds and a lot of tools for analysis, you can also go for MetaTrader 4, which is basically made for you. Some features and tools may vary depending upon the broker integration with the MT4, so depending upon that. So this is a conclusion. I hope you found it. Here I have listed some of the conclusion which you can go through it, and I hope that this video help you to choose your complete whatever you're looking for. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.